Welcome to our complete guide on the Strike Bitcoin app. Is it worth your time and investment? Let's find out. The Strike Bitcoin app offers a range of features designed for both beginners and seasoned investors. Let's explore some of them. Compared to other cryptocurrency apps, how does Strike perform? Let's take a closer look at the differences. Setting up the Strike Bitcoin app is simple and user-friendly. Here's a walkthrough to get you started. Security is a priority for any app handling your finances. Let's discuss the measures Strike has in place to protect your funds. What do real users think? Here are some testimonials and reviews, both positive and negative. Understanding cost structures is crucial. Let's break down the fees associated with using the Strike Bitcoin app. What do the experts say about Bitcoin and the role of the Strike app in the future? Let's hear their insights. Like any tool, the Strike Bitcoin app has its pros and cons. Here's a quick overview to summarize. So, is the Strike Bitcoin app worth it for 2025? Let's wrap up everything we discussed.